Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. And so recently, just yesterday, I read news that that Old Navy is not doing good, and Gap is firing the Old Navy boss. I do not know because they are selling too cheap or what. Everything I buy is Old Navy. I just cannot afford Gap. Anyway, what is the reason? Why do they not working well? All my dress is Old Navy. I do not know what is happening. Anyway, I will, maybe, maybe they will have even more clearance. Anyway, so let's do an outfit of the day and not making advertisement for anyone. This one, if I open it, is a loser unboxing. I paid it for myself because I love it. And it's very comfortable, so very comfortable. Let's do an outfit of the day. Okay, let's do this one. And it's so comfortable. Still, I wear my bike short. And this is a t-shirt one, straight and super duper comfortable. And I like flat. I just feel I like flat. So nothing. I do not like curve. People who have curve, I have my highest respect, but I do not have that much curve. I deal with it, and I think curve or not curve, whichever shape, flat shape, is also empowering. Okay, that's it. Very flat, very comfortable. Okay, maybe we should be a little bit this way. Yes. No pocket. Now let's put it down. You see all the scar on my leg. Okay, bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Bye bye. Oh, look at the back. The color. Bye bye.